Understanding the phrase, "I care about you." Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English phrases and their meanings. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase, "I care about you." This phrase is packed with emotion and significance, and it's crucial for English learners to understand not just its literal meaning, but also its cultural and emotional context. Let's get started. The phrase, "I care about you," has a straightforward literal meaning. It indicates that the speaker has a sense of concern, affection, or attachment towards the person they are speaking to. The word, care, here implies a feeling of protectiveness or a desire for the well-being of the other person. This phrase is often used in close, personal relationships, such as between family members, friends, or romantic partners. Understanding the phrase goes beyond its literal meaning. In English-speaking cultures, saying, "I care about you," can be a deeply emotional statement. It's often used to express that someone is important to the speaker, and that they hold a special place in their heart. This phrase can also be a way of showing support and reassurance, telling the other person that they are not alone in whatever they are facing. "I care about you" is best used in genuine situations where you want to express your concern or affection. It's important to say it sincerely, as it can be a very meaningful statement to the receiver. You might use this phrase when someone is going through a tough time, to show your support, or in a moment of affection with a close friend or family member. Remember, the tone of your voice also conveys a lot about your intentions and feelings when you use this phrase. There are several variations of this phrase that carry similar meanings. Phrases like, "I'm here for you," "You mean a lot to me," and "I've got your back," are all ways of expressing care and support in English. Each of these has its own nuances, but they all revolve around the theme of caring and valuing someone else. "I care about you" is a powerful phrase that goes beyond its literal meaning, encapsulating deep feelings of affection, concern, and support. As English learners, understanding not just the words, but the emotion and context behind them, can greatly enhance your communication skills. We hope this video has helped you grasp the essence of this beautiful phrase. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about emotions and connections. Happy learning, and take care!